Why do some attorneys demand a gag order when you settle your case? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from Las Vegas. I just gave a presentation to 700 attorneys and I want to share this quick information before I head home. You know, in some instances, when you settle a case, the defense attorney will come to me and say, listen, we need a gag order on this case. And in almost all instances, we'll have to do that. Now, why would they demand that this be done as a condition of settlement? Well, there are two important reasons. One is that they don't want publicity about the settlement. Two, they don't want other attorneys to know that you've just settled the case against this particular defendant, against the person you have sued, whether it's a doctor, whether it's somebody who's driving a car. Why is that? Because they don't want you to set the standard by which now all other injured victims will now seek the same compensation. Let's say that as a result of medical malpractice, now you demand $1 million. And as a result of your negotiations, the insurance company pays $1 million. Well, guess what? The defense attorney does not want you to promote the fact that you've now settled this case for $1 million because they don't want other attorneys to know what you just settled the case for. They don't want the next attorney to come in and say, hey, I have the same exact injuries, I want $1 million as well. Or they're going to come and say, listen, my client's injuries are much worse than the other one that you settled for $1 million, I want $2 million. So now what's happened is that now the attorney has set the bar, and that's one of the key reasons why the defense will turn around and demand a gag order in order to settle your case. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you a little bit of an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process. And chances are you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. And if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I do this every single day and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video tip. I'm Gerry Oginski coming to you from Las Vegas. Have a wonderful day.